This is Code Olympics 2026 and I have got the 4D challenge with core constraint of single function master with budget of less than equals to 400 lines, domain is text processing and language is TypeScript. So with these 4D challenge, I have built TextDiff, an intelligent text difference engine built for Code Olympics. It compares two documents at character, word and line level simultaneously. So let me show you the architecture of this that we have come up with the architecture of pipeline state. We have prepared a pipeline inside a single function called process text diff. You can see the architecture and the stages. Let me go ahead with showing you the code base. This is the main file which is containing 394 lines satisfying the constraint of line budget. The main function is the entry point and the one function we are allowed to make is the process text diff. We have also two sample files, text files, which are having some paragraphs in it. You can see sav1.txt and sav2.txt. So without wasting any time, let us go ahead on the terminal to see the functioning of this. So here we are on the terminal and you can see on your screen that there is a command we have written. So when we execute this command, you can see that it output 2, which is confirming the two functions, the main function which is the entry point and one function which is of our constraint we have prepared. Now we will execute this command. As you can see, this command has given the length, that is the number of lines, which is 394, satisfying the budget line constraint also, which is inside our main file. Now you can see npx tsc colon hyphen no commit. When we execute this command passes successfully. This command is confirming that there is zero type errors. When we execute this command of maximum warning 0, you can see that this command also passes. With this, it is confirmed that there is zero ESLint warning, zero warn bonus has earned here. So let us go to the actual demo. So as you can see on your screen, we have written, first of all, we are taking care of the strings only, that we have passed the sentence. In this, it is not compulsory that you have to pass the files only. You can pass directly sentences also or the paragraphs what you have got. Here we have taken the quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog and the another one is the fast brown fox leap over the lazy cat. So when we are going to execute this, you can see the analysis of these two sentences. You can see the text difference engine runs and file 1 has 9 words and file 2 also has 9 words. You can see the similarity character level and by word level changes, that how many words are added and how many words are deleted, lines are added and lines are deleted, and you can see the same analysis with characters also. You can see the word preview that lines removed from original are in red brackets. So as you can see, the original sentence was the quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. So quick is being red, showing that it is removed from the original one, that is it is a part of original and it is removed from the second sentence we provide, and in the green it is showing the version we have added. Now we will run this command which is containing the text hello world 2024 and hello universe 2025. You can see there is a change of world and universe, the year part and the earth emoji is also changed. So when we are going to run this, you will see that the text difference engine runs and you can see the same analysis, but also you can see here that it handle Unicode, emoji and number natively. World becomes universe, the globe emoji change, 2024 become 25, no special handling needed, it just work. So now we will run on the real document. You can see I have first two files here, sav1.txt and sav2.txt. You can see inside the code base that these are the two essays. So we are going to run the command, our engine on these. So let us run this command and you can see our engine runs. So it will do the analysis and you can see this is a summary mode when you are not specifying any specific mode, as there are more stats mode and more detailed mode. So you can see this is a summary mode. Once again, the number of words, the similarity, the words changes, that words added, lines added and about characters. Now you will see the word difference preview in the red and green, that is this red part is in the original document and this green part it is added inside the second document we are providing. The white part is same as it is. There is no change in that. You can see here every single change marked in line. Words added, deleted, moved, reading time for both version, all from Sketch, pure LCS algorithm, zero libraries. This command give the more detailed view. As we run this command, you can see line by line with line numbers for both file. You can see the line numbers here. The same content detected a different position Yellow lines are that semantic detection, not just line matching. Now when we will see the stats mode, the stats mode output clean JSON, every metric, you can pipe it anywhere. As you can see here, character added, deleted, unchanged, and many more things about similarity, reading time. It is given a pure clean JSON format. We will see the part of error handling. So here we have passed two files. As when we run this, you can see that one file is not there. So error file not found ghost.txt. So this file is not there. So it is clearly stating that file not found. Our program does not crash. You can see here in this command we have passed two same files, and when we run this, you can see that both documents are identical. There is 100% match. So it is handling that also. If the both documents are identical, it is clearly stating, it is not doing randomly analysis, blind analysis on same document. So the architectural centerpiece is the pipeline state, a TypeScript discriminated union that enforces stage boundaries at compile time, replacing what helper function normally provide. One function, TypeScript type system did the rest. That is a cost constraint design that emerged from these four constraints working together. With this, I would like to wind up. Thank you.